Hello viewers, welcome to Peniwallet. We're about to show you how to use the spray feature on the Peniwallet. With just a simple code, you can instantly reward your most active followers or community members, whether it's during a live event, a giveaway, or just to say thank you. No need to manually collect wallet addresses, no forms, and no hassle. All your community has to do is to join the spray and the magic happens instantly. Let's dive in and show you exactly how it works. So first up, you tap on your Peniwallet. Then you enter your passcode. Once you enter your passcode, the homepage appears. To create a spray, what you need is the tokens that you'd love to spray, and in this video I'll be spraying the WikiCat tokens and also probably community members you want to send the code to. Alright, so what we'll be doing now is to tap on spray. So beneath you have 4 icons. You have wallet, swap, spray, settings. So you tap on spray, right, and then you tap on create spray party. Okay, so this interface comes up and you have to fill this form. You fill in the spray party name, the amount per guest, that is the tokens you want to distribute per guest, and then the total guests. Okay, so what we need to do now is input the spray party name. Today is May 22nd, Bitcoin Pizza Day, and Bitcoin just hit a new all-time high of 110,000. I'll be naming the spray party Bitcoin all-time high. That is Bitcoin ETH. Okay. Yeah, so amount per guest, I believe I'll impute. Okay, so for this field, instead of putting in the amount in WikiCat, you can always tap on it and say you want to put the amount in USD. Okay, so the minimum you can use for a spray party is 0.5 USD. So this is the absolute minimum, and 0.5 USD is 27.2 million WikiCat. So total guests, I'll be using, let's say I'll be using 15 guests. Okay, so I tap on continue. Alright, so it confirm the spray, it gives you these details, and then you start party. Once you tap on start party, the spray party is created. So all you need to do now is to send this QR code or the code to your community members and they will join in the spray. So let's do that now. So I'll just screenshot this page and copy the code as well. Okay, so now I head over to the community. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing the code in this community. As you can see, the community members are excited that Bitcoin has reached an all-time high of $110,000. Alright, so let's celebrate this. I will be dropping the code now. And I'll also be pasting the code. Okay, so I just paste the code and I send it to the group. Okay, and I wait for them to join. So we head back to our Peniwallet and then we tap on view guests. So right now we can see real time we have guests joining in, right? Okay, so we have one guest now. This second guest is joined in. All right, so let's just wait for this to fill up. Okay, so we have people still joining in from the group. Let's see what's happening in the group. Okay, people weren't expecting this, but you know, let's just celebrate the new ATH of Bitcoin today. Also, while guests are joining it, if for any reason you want to cancel this party, you can always tap on this three dots at the top right. Once you tap on it, you can tap on cancel spray. So it's taking a while for the last person to join. I believe this is because it's unexpected and I'm doing this past midnight. This is about 1:23 a.m. my time right now. So I'll just go ahead to continue. Okay, so once I tap on continue, it shows these details, transaction details, and I tap on spray token. So now it's processing. Okay, so I need to authenticate this process and I input my passcode. Alright, so it has spray completed. Okay, so we just have to close this tab and then we can see that spray is completed. The push notification comes up. As you can see, today is May 22nd, 2025, Bitcoin Pizza Day, and we can see the spray party history. All right, you can see that May 22nd, 2025, that's today. This has been completed. If you tap on see all, it should just show you all the sprays that you have done over time. So let's head back to the group to see what the receivers are saying. That is the community members. Okay, this was after I dropped the code, and this was when people received their tokens, and a lot of persons are happy about the fact that they got free tokens tonight. All right, So this is the process in which you can create spray for your community members, just appreciate them, or probably at an event, you always put the code up and then everyone joins in and you distribute the funds to them. I hope this video has been helpful. If you do find this tutorial video helpful, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on that post notification bell for more educated content. If you do have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section and a team member will respond to you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.